Good morning everyone, I am Rifki.
And I am Azmi. Today we will share tips for opening presentation and delivery and closing presentation.
Azmi, what shall we do at the start?
Greet audience, introduce yourself, and let them the purpose.
For example, good morning, my name is Rifki and today I will talk about management. About the presentation,
Using clear and simple language.
was good, body language, eye contact, clear voice, and visual aids.
This help presenter understand the message.
And how do we end the presentation?
Summarize the main points and give a strong final statement.
For example, thank you for listening. I am happy to answer your question.
A good closing makes the presentation complete. That's all from us.
We hope that this help you present.
Thank you.
Thank you.